A guidance model for specifying the course. The course specification is considered an effective guideline for a faculty member. Participate in effective planning for improving and developing the course. How to fulfill the course description according to the National Center for Assessment and Academic Accreditation's 2023. Writing the course name and code as existing in the program study plan. Writing the program name which the course is offered. Writing the institution, college, and the main responsible department for teaching the course. Writing the specification copy number of this version. Writing the latest review date of the course specification. General information about the course. 1. Credit hours, writing the aggregation number of credit hours according to the program study plan. 2. Course type, mark, true, ahead the course type according to A. University, college, specialty, track required. B. Course type, required elective. 3. The year or level at which the course is offered, citing the year or level at which the course is taken. 4. Course general description. Writing this part of the course in brief specification that applies to what was cited in the program study plan. Also, included what will be provided to students of information, concepts, and facts. Not writing the course topics. 5. Prerequisites for this course, citing the courses that required prerequisite to register for this course. 6. Co-requisites with this course, mention any academic courses or other experiences that are considered concurrent requirements with this course. If there are no concurrent requirements, write none. 7. The course main goal, writing the course main goal that's showing the main objective of this course. Teaching mode. 1. The method used by you in the teaching process, traditional classroom, e-learning, blended learning, distance learning, etc., with calculating the number of hours that you teach in each method. Also, calculating its percentage in relation to the total number of hours. 2. Calculating the total number of hours for the course. Then, calculating the total number of hours for each pattern of the study patterns. Finally, calculating the percentage of each pattern. For example, if the number of contact hours for the course is 48 hours, and 36 of them are taught in the traditional way, then, the percentage of the regular method equals 75%, and the remaining 25% is distributed to other methods followed in teaching regarding the course. Contact hours. 1. In this part, the contact hours are calculated for each of these activities at the semester level. For example, the percentage in the study pattern was calculated based on the total number of teaching hours. Here it is necessary to agree between what was cited in the previous item, the teaching style, and the number that will be distributed in the item, teaching hours. For example, the course includes theoretical 48 lectures, labs 0, and the total is 48 hours. For example, but if the course includes theoretical and laboratory lectures and exercises, then the percentage of each part is calculated according to its teaching hours in relation to the total contact hours of the course. Course learning outcomes, teaching strategies, and assessment methods. The course learning outcomes. The learning outcomes respond to the question, what should the student be able to do at the end of the course that he was not able to do before? The learning outcomes of the course are developing while pursuing the instructions when developing the learning outcomes. The linkage between the course's learning outcomes and the program's learning outcomes by referring to the program's learning outcomes matrix in the program description. This table is fulfilled by writing the course learning outcomes, so that they are measurable. Selection of teaching strategies that are consistent with learning outcomes of the intended course. Selection of the measure methods are consistent with the course learning outcomes and teaching strategies. Teaching strategies, a set of the procedures and methods that pursued by faculty member to achieve learning outcome. During the selection of teaching strategies should consider 1. Convenient strategies to learning outcomes. 2. Convenient strategies to learning content. 3. Convenient strategies to students' level with considering individual differences among them. Examples of teaching strategies: interactive lectures, discussion, brainstorming, cooperative learning, learning that based on solving difficulties, role play, a field training, research project, self-learning. Assessment methods, divided into two major categories. Direct assessment methods. Indirect assessment methods. Course content. Asterisk writing the course topics that divided into number of semester weeks. Moreover, to account for number of require hours for each topic of the course topics. The aggregation of contact hours matches with what's cited in the 6th and 7th items. Students' assessment activities. Assessment task, written exam, oral exam, presentation, group project, worksheet, etc. Updating the table that's stating the specific dates for each assessment task. The percentage of the final assessment that assigned to those tasks approved by the department council considering. The assessment task in this table must be matched with measure methods that's cited in the course learning outcomes table. Learning resources and facilities. 1. References and learning resources. Essential reference, citing the essential reference that existing study plan. So that, the language of the book is the same as language teaching of the course. Supportive reference, citing supportive reference. Electronic materials, preparing a list of requirements for accessing to the electronic subjects and database, with the need to specify the link for each of these sources. Others, listing any other educational courses such as computer programs, software, and CDs. 2. Required facilities and equipment. Facilities, lectures rooms that extend for 25 students. Technology equipment, writing the required technology to present the course such as data show project, smartboard, software. Other equipment, writing any required courses from special equipment according to specialty practice. Assessment of course quality. This table is fulfilled by using instructions from the National Center for Assessment and Academic Accreditation in the table below. For example, teaching effectiveness is assessed by students and program leaders, while this area is evaluated through student surveys and external reviewer reports. Specification approval data. The specification is accredited by the relevant department council or the college council. Also, with writing the reference no and accreditation date.